Going to the market. My name is Dara. Today is Saturday, and I go to the market with my mother. We leave our house early in the morning because the market is busy. The market is big and colorful. There are many people buying and selling food, fruits, vegetables, clothes, and flowers. Everyone looks happy. First, we visit the fruit shop. My mother buys bananas, mangoes, oranges, and apples. The fruit seller smiles and gives me a small banana. I say, "Thank you." Next, we go to the vegetable shop. We buy tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, onions, and green vegetables. My mother always chooses fresh vegetables. After that, we visit the meat and fish section. My mother buys some chicken and fresh fish for dinner. The seller is friendly and packs everything carefully. I see a bakery near the market entrance. The bread smells delicious. My mother buys a loaf of bread and 2 sweet buns. We enjoy eating the buns together. Then we stop at a flower shop. My mother buys beautiful flowers for our home. I like the yellow sunflowers the most. Before we go home, my mother buys a bottle of milk and some eggs. We put everything into our shopping bags. When we arrive home, I help my mother put the food in the kitchen. She thanks me for helping her. I feel proud because I can help my family. Going to the market is always fun. I learn the names of many foods and practice speaking politely. I enjoy spending time with my mother, and I look forward to going to the market again.